Hey guys, it's time for another proverb. This one is actually going to be in Arabic and it is straight from the Quran. This is actually a verse that brings comfort to many billions of Muslims around the world. And it goes like this. فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Truly or verily with hardship comes ease. فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. And if you imagine this being said by the Creator himself, he is assuring you that this is just the rhythm of life. Peaks and valleys, right? Peaks and valleys. And yeah, that's our little pearl of wisdom for today. Do you have a favorite proverb? Please drop it in the comments. I'm Sharif from Culture Toronto, and I'll see you beautiful people next time. Peace.